Welcome to the SM1300-9 S-Brush Sanding Machine, an innovative, newly developed product featuring 9 sanding spindles. This machine is specifically used for sanding large workpieces such as wood doors, door panels, and wood products with complex profiles, suitable for sanding and polishing solid wood, MDF, and veneer. The highlight is the flexible 9-spindle structure, including 3 vertical sanding spindles for overall surface smoothing, 4 disc sanding spindles for handling profiles and edges, and 2 flexible horizontal spindles for sanding grooves and recesses. This multi-axis and multi-directional combination allows the machine to perfectly process workpieces with complex shapes, such as convex, concave, grooves, edges, and patterns. Each spindle rotates in a different direction to maximize surface smoothness, ensuring uniform finish on all surfaces. Consequently, the machine guarantees no flaws, no surface dents, no white edges, or color fade during primer sanding. The automatic PLC control system and full touchscreen ensure easy operation, featuring flexible rotation or feeding speed adjustments, and an automatic lifting system to guarantee sanding quality. Sanding spindles operate independently, allowing you to stop unused spindles and change sheet sandpaper quickly and easily. The machine is suitable for all sanding needs, from coarse to fine. Superior sanding efficiency. The machine can process 50 to 100 pieces per hour, dramatically increasing productivity compared to manual sanding. The SM1300-9S is the optimal solution for export wood production. This machine has been widely supplied across Vietnam and to international friends. Contact immediately for consultation and to customize the best sanding combination for your needs.